Welcome to Marine Tech Hub. Today I like to thank all my subscribers all over the world to make Marine Tech Hub to the highest level. So membership level 5 will get full support for 1 year and you will get the video links. So people are calling from the ship from chief engineer to cadet level. I am trying to help the shipping companies so that they can save time and money and off fire. Okay guys, today very important topic, main air compressor lubricator, which is normally not taken care because it is not noticed. Actually this lubricator, they say it will come for 8,000 hours, you have to replace. There is no alarm for this, so whether the oil is coming or not need to be checked on a regular basis, because one of the ship the compressor seized and there was a lot of expenditure on this, so huge expenditure. So better fourth engineers take care of this, and especially the superintendents, please put a health check for the compressor. This is one of the point which I would like to tell. But I have seen some superintendents are really very good. They are giving a health check to the shipping companies and they are running the ship in a very good manner. Okay guys, so let's go to the video, and if you have any doubt you can message me. Today I am going to explain you about lubricator for air compressor. In this picture you can see this is the small pump which is gear driven, and you can see two outlets, one which goes to the HP side, other goes to the LP side. This is the oil which is going for lubrication of the piston and the liner, and this is the inlet side. So why I want to tell you about this lubricator is, one of the ship we lost the compressor because the piston and the liner got seized because the oil was not going for the lubrication. So very important for the fourth engineer to cross check this on a monthly basis, or so that you take care of the machinery and save money for the company. So I will be explaining you how to adjust and see whether the oil is coming or not. So what you do is, normally you run the compressor manually and you can open the bolt here and here to check whether the oil is coming or not. If the oil is not coming, then you can increase the feed rate. So that I will show you. This is one side where the lube oil is going here, one part of it. The other part is here, HP side. So you can open here and run the compressor and see whether you get a droplet of oil coming here or not. If oil is not coming, then you have to adjust the feed. So for adjusting the feed, you can open here, both the discharge side you can open, see whether the oil is coming. So you can run the compressor manually and see oil is coming or not. If oil is not coming, then you can open the top cover of the gear pump and increase the feed. So what I have done is, I opened it slightly to show that the droplet oil is dropping or not. So if you have any doubt regarding this, you can always message me. So what I am trying to tell you is, this is a very important thing which need to be checked, and if the oil is not coming, you can increase the feed rate. How to increase the feed rate? Open the top cover and you have an Allen here. So turn it clockwise, so to increase the feed. Once you turn it, you can increase the feed for this one and the other one also, since there are two outlets. Then once you increase the feed, then put the lock nut, lock it properly. So this is a very important thing which is not taken care, because PMS for this is not given in detail. So you can always make sure that you do this operation by checking the feed which is going to both the line. So once you fill it up with oil and put the cover. Once you put the cover, then you start the, this is the cover. So once you put, tighten it, then again start the compressor manually to check whether the oil is coming or not. I have increased the feed, so to check that the oil is coming. So you can see the droplet of oil here, you can see here and here also. So if you feel, you can see that oil is dropping on both the sides. So you have done a good job. So in this case, very important thing to be checked every month. Company superintendents can always look into this, which is a very important item which I am telling you. Thank you. Okay guys, if you like the video, please subscribe. My WhatsApp number is there, email address is there. If you have any doubt, you can message me. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.